Welcome Destined Tribe, welcome to Destined Tarot. Today we are going to see how October 2020 will look like for you. Okay, don't miss the intro today because I am going to say something which is very important. The reading today we are going to do, please see it as per your moon sign, sorry, sun sign. Don't see it as per your moon sign or rising sign. Okay, why? Because the moon sign and the rising sign, the way to look about the prediction for this type of prediction is a different, it's a little bit different from the sun sign reading. Okay, and today we are going to do is a sun sign reading. And if you don't know your sun sign, please go to Google and place your date of birth and search your sun sign. Okay, so this reading it will be purely on sunshine. So if you are seeing from your moon sign or rising sign, it may not resonate with you. If you follow your sun sign, definitely it will resonate with you. Okay, so it is a general reading. So some part will resonate, some part will not resonate. So take it whether you, the way, if it is resonates with you, please take it, and the things which does not resonate with you, please leave those. Okay, so let's start. For the Aries sign today, let's see. Let's shuffle the card. Ace of Swords, very nice. Two of Swords, the Fool card, King of Cups in reverse, and Five of Cups in reverse. Okay, cool. Aries, your October is going to start with a very, it's very forcefully it's going to start. I'm not saying it is a bound situation, but it is a very new beginning, very nice beginning. It is going to happen with full of force. Okay, with full of enthusiasm. It is, and whatever obstacles you were there were before in your life, it is going to, it is going to go. Okay, and the Ace of Swords suggests that any type of battle you used to fought. Okay, you used to fight, but those you are going to overcome. Okay, nothing can stand in front of you, nothing can be an obstacle anymore. There is a new beginning going to happen. Okay, and with the Two of Swords, I see a beautiful relationship is coming. Okay, if you are already in a relationship, a beautiful, that will be, the bond will be stronger. Okay, there will be balance in your give and take, and whatever you are doing, there will be a work life balance. If any misunderstanding were there, those things will be disappeared. Okay, friendship at a time of adversity, if you can find people who can help you at your adverse situation. Okay, um, you can find a friend, or your friend will be, or your partner will be such that in any circumstances you can depend on them. Or, and I would suggest you also become like this, so that you be a man of dependency. Okay, someone, be a person, you are a boy and a girl, doesn't matter, but you should be a partner on whom your partner can depend on. Okay, so um, I feel that there will be nice talk with your relation, in your relationship with your partner, and what type of any in your relationship, any type of conversation that you're going to do will be good for you. Okay, and you find the reciprocation from your partner, I feel that. Similarly, in your work life also, you can, there will be a new potential journey I can see here, and you will be very happy in that journey. Or if you are already happy in your working life, those happiness will sustain. Okay, any type of obstacles you were feeling, you are going to overcome that. Okay, so expect the unexpected, many good things is going to come. Okay, many surprises are going to come. Okay, um, unconventional people could enter in your life. Okay, uh, and what I was saying, in your love life, or in your relationship life, any unexpected person can also come if you are not in a relationship. Okay, so there will be a very fresh beginning and fresh energy in your life. Okay, and there will be a new chapter in your life. Okay, so nothing can harm you. Whatever obstacles you were feeling, that is going to go away in any way. Okay, this is a very nice card you have got. Okay, but health wise, I think you need to be a little bit careful. Okay, so see that in your health condition you should take care of yourself. Do yoga or pranayam or any exercise that you feel good. Enjoy your time in nature. Okay, and control your what do I would say, emotion. If you have feeling, if you have any negative emotion, have control on that. And do the things that is helping you to upgrade your energy, your help you to turn your energy from negative to positive. Okay, because mental health is also a very important part in your life. So for your health condition, I would suggest, please take care of your health, and control your temper, and leave your ego, and just take care and do whatever feels good for you. Okay, take healthy food, and lead a healthy life. Okay, and your advice for this month will be, with the Five of Cup reverse card, I would suggest you to release your past negative feelings. Okay, and if you have had any personal setbacks, release that, and forgive others, forgive yourself if you have done any mistake or something suddenly happened without your concern. So leave that in the past and move on, because if you move on, there is a new beginning waiting for you. Okay, if you move on, you can have balance in your life. If you move on, there will be a happy journey for you. Okay, and if you move on and release your past negative feelings, you can get the good health, and your mental health is more important in this month. So take care of yourself. Okay, this was your reading. If you like the reading, please subscribe to my channel, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see in further, and please do let me know whether it is resonated with you or not. Okay, thank you so much, Aries tribe. God bless you. So Taurus, okay, let's see what is coming for you in the coming October. Okay, wait, lot of cards. What is coming for Taurus tribe in October 2020? What is coming for Taurus tribe in October 2020? Cool. Last shuffle. Eight of Pentacles in reverse, Six of Pentacles, Page of Cups in reverse, Four of Pentacles, lot of Pentacle energy, and Three of Pentacles. Okay, cool. So I feel for my Taurus tribe, you are going to get money. Your money thing will going to improve. For Taurus, I would say, do not haste for money very soon. Okay, with the Eight of Pentacles reverse card, I would suggest, don't hurry, don't be impatient. Okay, don't be impatient, and don't desire for a quick success, because success is coming. Okay, with this Pentacles card, it is coming, but you have to have a little bit of patience. Okay, you learn right now the way to do the things properly in your job life or in your work life, in everything, every area of your life. Learn the facts and figures, learn the processes, and improve yourself. Okay, because if you do it, then you can get this Six of Pentacles, which clearly indicates flow of money. Okay, which clearly saying the your money, the good use of money. Okay, and do the charity. If you get your money, please do the charity, and do not waste your money. Okay, especially in your relationship, or in your any type of partnership, or in many for many of you, in case of any relationship, or in your love life or something, before spending a lot of money, just look at the necessity for that, okay, whether you need it or not. If you don't do the unnecessary expenditure, okay, don't do that. If you save the money, you can if you have any loan, you can pay the loan amount. And if you save your money, it can be used for good purpose, okay. And you can get financial support also, because if you save right now, in your future situation, you can use that for many type of very important things, okay. For some of you, I feel you are going to get financial support from your relationship also. For some of you, I feel your partner is going to help you in your monetary condition, and your relationship with your partner will be good. You are going to get some any type of relationship or partnership or any love partner from who will be beneficial for your financial situation, okay. For your work life, I would suggest, in your work life you should be aware of any type of person who can cheat on you, okay. And I would suggest before spending your money or before trusting on others, please look at the credibility of the person, okay. Do not trust someone very easily, because someone may cheat you, okay. So before doing that, please be careful and analyze and follow your intuition if you have, and act accordingly, okay. Be careful in your work life, and be very very careful before in your money situation, okay. I'm repeating so many times, because you have to be very careful about your financial situation and your emotional situation, so that no one can cheat on you, okay. So as I said here, if you spend your time in learning things, so that your skills will be improved, okay. When your skills will be improved, you can possibly um, get the highest achievement that is meant for you, okay. But you have to learn the things, learn the processes, understand the people, understand the situation, and keep on moving with very caution, okay. You have to do a cautious movement, and you can get the highest achievement if you improve your skills in the month of October, okay. And you can rise above your difficulties, obstacle, and you can get it, okay. And so for some of you, I feel that you can move to a new house also, okay. And I would suggest that improve your skill in every possible field. If you have any creativity, act on that, okay. Learn the things and be the best version of yourselves, okay. Once you do that, you can get the material stability, and you can get what is desired for you, okay. The financial problems will be overcome, okay. So your end result is very nice, you can get it, okay. So just upgrade yourself, invest in you, okay. The best investment is always investment in ourselves, okay. So when you invest in yourself, you can grow up, you can improve your skills, you can improve your quality, you can improve yourself and go forward. And after that only you can attain your desired goals, okay. And your financial security is assured, but you have to work for that, and you have to be very careful in your work life, so that someone cannot cheat on you, okay, or someone cannot take advantage of you. So for that matter, you have to look it, and you can get it very soon, very clearly, but you have to work on yourself. Thank you so much, Taurus, and I think it is resonated with you. Please do let me know whether it has resonated or not, and do let me know what kind of next videos you want to see. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in the next reading. Hello, my Gemini tribe. Welcome to Destined Tarot. Let's see what is there in your month of October 2020. Okay. What is there for my Gemini? What is there for my Gemini 2020 October? What is there for my Gemini 2020 October? Two more shuffles. Last shuffle. What is there for my Gemini? King of Cups in reverse, Five of Cups in reverse, Eight of Wands, Seven of Wands, and the Seven of Swords. For Gemini, I think you have to be very careful about your heart, because there is a chance that you might face a heartbreak. Okay, you might face. Okay, so I would suggest you to be very careful. So don't take anything so seriously at heart, so that it will prevent you from breaking your heart. Okay, that would be my suggestion. In your love life, the five of cups is, I got it, it is in reverse. Okay, so because your there is a chance of heartbreak, so you might run away from the problems. Okay, but I would like to suggest is, if you do good, good things is coming to you. Okay, so just be careful, and don't take things too seriously, so that sometimes what happens, we create so many situations in our mind and feel devastated and feel very bad about it, and we feel heartbreak. Okay, and we feel heartbroken. So for, I would suggest for that, just do not make up situation in your mind, and if you have done good, good things will come to you. Okay, difficult circumstances will go anyway. Okay, and you will gain more than what you lose. With the five of cups reverse, you can gain whatever you have lost, more than that you can gain it. Okay, so there will be a new condition, even if you get a heartbreak. Okay, your unhappy times will situation soon, soon will it will end. Okay, or if you are suffering from a heartbreak right now, it is going to end soon. Okay, so do not run from the situation, just face the situation, accept the situation, and you are going to get your reward, and definitely your difficult situation is going to end. So I am very happy with this card. Next is your eight of wands. So even when in your work life or love life, if you are facing difficult situation, or you were like heartbroken, as I said, you will overcome from this, and also you will start a new journey. Okay, there will be movement. The delayed time is now over. The delayed time is now over. Okay, communication is very important, so all kind of phone calls, letters, and those things are very important. So if you are waiting for an interview, it will come. If you are waiting for if you are waiting for a job result, interview result, it will come. If you are waiting for a new beginning to start in your job life or work life, it is going to come. Okay, and just understand the cooperation is very important. Helpful companions you are going to get. Okay, your work life will be very very nice. Okay, whatever the delayed situation was then, it is going to end. October is going to assure a very 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 new beginning for your what I would say, job life, work life, business life, anything. Okay, good news is on your way. I am very happy, Gemini, because I know most of you were very facing very very difficult situation in the past months. So those time are over now. You are going to get good news. Okay, with the seven of wands card, I would suggest, take care of your health. Okay, time of adversity uh, is anyway going to over here. And even when you heartbreak, or you face heartbreak, or you are broken, just stand up for yourself. Whatever you believe in, stand for that. Okay, do not lose your stamina, do not lose what you believe in. Stand for what you believe in. Okay, then only you can face the triumph. And for your health condition, I would suggest, do not allow anything to temper your mental health. Stand for what you believe in, and take care of your mental health, and triumph is there for you, victory is there for you. Okay, very nice cards. And with the seven of swords card, I feel with the seven of sword card, because you have a new journey to do. If you need to travel, you are going to leave something behind. Maybe what you was giving you pain, you are going to leave that in back. Okay, in behind, you are going to leave anything that was struggling you. You are going to leave that in behind, and you are going to move forward, and going to get the triumph. Okay, so this is a very good nice reading for you, Gemini. We are going to have very successful October. So just take care of yourself, and God bless you. Do let me know whether it has resonated with you or not, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Thank you, and God bless you. See you in the next reading. Hello, my destined tribe for Cancer people. So if your zodiac sign, if your sun sign is Cancer, this reading is for you. So let's see what is there. What is there for my Cancerians? What is there for my Cancerians in October 2020? What is there for my Cancerian in October 2020? Last shuffle. One more shuffle. Okay, cool. Let's take it. So, King of Cups in reverse. This came in the last pile also. Seven of Wands, Seven of Swords, Nine of Cups. Wow. Two of Wands in reverse. Okay. So, for you, I feel you are also going with a heartbreak or something in the past, and I feel with this card, I feel you are a very matured person. You have a very matured thinking in your life, and who have achieved a lot of things in your life. Okay, but in the month of October, I think you will be a little bit hot headed and hot tempered person. Okay, and because you will a little bit hot tempered in the month of October, it will give a misleading impression. Okay, so I would suggest just be calm and composed while expressing your thought. But with these two seven of cards, okay, Seven of Swords and Seven of Wands, I feel a great true love is coming in your way. If you are not in love till, you are going to get a new love. Okay, if you have just come out of a relationship, or you are not in a relationship, you are going to get your true love. In your work life also, you can get things which is for which you are very passionate about. Okay, so and I feel in your work life, you have to be a little bit cunning. Okay, in your work life, you have to be very cautious about yourself, so that no one can cheat on you. Okay, and so to defeat your enemy, you have to be very careful and very clever about your approaches. Okay, and maybe you have to sacrifice a little bit in order to succeed. Okay, and but I would suggest, whatever you do it wholeheartedly. Okay, anyway, with the two of seven cards, I think you are going to get whatever you are passionate about. So I think you will have your hearts in whatever you do. Okay, so, and you have to stand for yourself, both in your situation, work and love situation. I would suggest, stand for whatever you believe in. Okay, do not lose your originality to get someone or to be likable. Okay, to get your victory, you have to stand your position. You should not lose whatever you is meant is whatever means a lot for you. Okay, so that you, even if you stand on your ground for what you believe in, somebody may leave you, and but anyway, in future, you are going to get whatever is meant for you. Your love life, your job life, your work life, everything what is meant for you is going to come. Okay, I'm very happy with these two cards. So, but I would suggest, do not lose your ground. Do not lose your originality to be liked, or to keep someone in your life, or to keep the job, or keep the work in your life, sacrificing yourself. Okay, but that type of situation may arise. Okay, where with the Nine of Cups, you can see the completion. Whatever happens here, okay, no worries, because anyway, you are going to a completion. So this is a very nice card, because this is the Nine of Cups just before Ten of Cups, which is indicating you are going towards your fulfillment. Okay, you are going towards your fulfillment. For this Cancerian pile, I am feeling that in your relationship part, a very good news is going to come. Okay, very good news is going to come. Your social life will be very good. You will get very good friends. Okay, you will have fun in your life. Okay, and your health will be good. That is I'm getting from here. So I am very happy for you. So relationship will be very fulfilling, and the communication will be very easy, And if you have any new ideas, if you are getting any new ideas, just bring that into action. And I feel a lot of you are going to get very new ideas in your work life, okay? And your relationship will be very nice, and there will be a very fulfilling October for you, Cancerian. I feel I feel with the two of wand reverse card and the king of cups reverse card, something for some things may arise where you feel unsatisfied, dissatisfied, okay? But I am telling you, even when the dissatisfaction phase comes, it will move on, it will go on, okay? It will just move from your life, and you are going to enter into a fulfilling life, and you are going to get it, okay? New things will be start, and true passion, true love will come to you, and you will tend towards fulfilling your life, okay? No worries, you are going to have a very wonderful October, Cancerians. I would request you to like my channel if you have liked it, and subscribe it, and do let me know whether it has resonated with you or not, and let me know what else you want to see in the future coming videos, okay? Thank you so much, god bless you, see you in the next reading. Welcome, Leo tribe. Welcome to Destined Tarot. Let's see what is there in your October 2020. What is there for my Leo for October 2020? What is there for my Leo October 2020? One more shuffle. Okay, cool. So, Five of Swords in reverse, Ten of Cups in reverse, okay. Ten of Cups in reverse, okay. Three of Swords, okay. King of Wands in reverse, okay. There is two cards about. Page of Wands in reverse, Ten of Wands in reverse, okay, got it. So, for you, my Leo tribe, maybe there will be any bad news for you. Maybe I will pray that nobody should get bad news, but maybe that will come, and you have a little bit stubbornness inside you. That I would request you to give it up, okay? And because with ego and stubbornness, nothing you are going to get, okay? Anyway, Leos are a little bit stubborn in their life, so I would request to give that up, okay? So that you can avoid the bad news that is going to come, okay? With the Ten of reverse cup also, I'm feeling that there may be a love loss due to mistrust, okay? Due to mistrust, you may will face misunderstanding, and isolation may rises in your happy situation, okay? So I would suggest to avoid the misunderstanding, have communication, and avoid whatever rigidness is coming there in your life, okay? With the Three of Sword card and the reverse of Ten of Cups card, I feel that with a very heavy heart, I am feeling there will be a situation which will make you very hard, very painful for you, maybe a very painful ending for you, okay? But don't worry, sometimes there are cases only we feel that is in our mind only, but in the real situation there are no such situation. Just our own imagination sometimes hurt us, okay? So I would suggest, do not mistrust, or do not think negative, okay? And even if the aches are there, just be careful to uh, just because don't be, if you, okay, your suggestion is, if you leave your rigidity, if you leave your ego, if you leave your stubbornness, then you can avoid this situation, okay? This Three of Swords situation and Ten of Cups reverse situation, you can avoid with the uh, with this card, okay? If you understand that with stubbornness you are not going to get anything, then you can avoid this situation. With the knight of wands reverse also, I am feeling that you should not feel jealous. Okay, don't, you have to leave this situation, because this situation will give you very adverse effect on your personal life, love life, and your work life, and your health also. So I would suggest that these things you should need to avoid. Okay, do not be jealous of anything, do not be jealous of your partner's success, do not be jealous or do not be stubborn about your partner or about your colleagues or about your boss or something, so that this situation can be avoided. Okay, the page of wands is also reversed for your cases, which says me that lot of complaints you may do. Okay, you may be a complainer or faithless, you will have a faithless in your love life or relationship. Okay, so don't be the bad person. Okay, just one suggestion for you, whatever, you just leave your ego and everything is going to be good for you. The moment you decide, see, tarot is all about your guidance. Okay, the predictions is all about your guidance. When you know what is coming, and if the things are happening is there for you. See, if all these cards, I think your karma is in your hand. Okay, you can change your present with this card. Okay, and there is no divine intervention, it is completely your own creation. Okay, there is no divine intervention here, if for this pile I feel. So I would suggest, if you just leave your ego and rigidity and your stubbornness, you will be out of all this situation. And the your last card is your ten of wands reverse card. I am feeling very good about this card, because this is in reverse, your heavy lifting things are going to end. Okay, the moment you lose your stubbornness, you all your burdens that you have taken on your shoulder because of your jealousness, because you're of stubbornness, whatever feelings that you have created because of unfaithfulness, because of your doubts, whatever you have created, this will go. Okay, because this is the ten of wands is in reverse, this will go anyway. Okay, so just be the creator of your own destiny. Okay, this month is completely in your hand. The moment you decide to leave your negative things and adapt your positive things, you are going to be free from your burdens. Okay, so this was your reading, Leo. Hope this is resonated with you. Hope this will guide you to have a beautiful October 2020. Please do let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future, and God bless you. Thank you. Welcome, Virgo. Welcome to Destined Tarot. Let's see how will be your 2020 October. Okay, so let's shuffle what is there for my Virgo 2020 October. Virgo 2020 October. Virgo 2020 October. Last shuffle, Virgo 2020 October. One more shuffle for my Virgo October 2020. Cool. So Ace of Swords, very nice. Two of Swords, Four of Cups in reverse, Three of Cups in reverse, Two of Cups in reverse. Okay, cool. Virgo, for you, I really feel with the Ace of Sword card and the Two of Sword card, there is going to be a very forceful beginning for your October. Okay, there will be a new beginning. There will be a very forceful beginning, which is you will thrive on it. Okay, there will be balance in everything. Okay, I understand these all cards came in reverse, so I feel I don't want to take it in reverse, but it's okay. If even if it is come, it is okay. Let me read in this way. So if even if there will be problems, okay, even if there will be some problems in your work life or in your any type of relationship or partnership or whatever, so you are going to overcome it. Okay, so my advice for you would be, do not fear of loss. Okay, do not fear of losing, don't fear of loneliness. Okay, because someone's best friend is yourself. Okay, so if you feel the loneliness inside you, then only this situation will happen. this loss of celebration will happen only if you have taken, if you will take yourself very seriously and think what I can do alone, what I will do if someone will leave me. Don't think that. If you don't think that, then you will avoid all type of negative things in your life. Okay, do not create negativity inside your mind. That is very important for you. Okay, there will be, or maybe there will be temporary separation or temporary problems that will come in your way, but because you have got these two cards, I think everything will get balanced. Okay, everything will get balanced. Okay, just my suggestion would be, do not take things for granted. Okay, do not take anything for granted. Then you can avoid it. And if you feel bored in your life, and if you feel your life is not moving on, then I would suggest, do something that will something new, the try something new in your life. Okay, so you can thrive on it. So because you get a successful new beginning, so I think anything you will try, you can get good progress in that. Okay, so do not take things for granted. And even if your separation will be there or something betrayal will be there, that will only be for a limited time. Okay, don't be disappointed for that. And definitely you are going to have a wonderful October 2020. Okay, my suggestion would be, just do not take things very seriously. Just do not take things which hurt you inside your mind. Okay, don't fear of loneliness. Enjoy your own company. Okay, and believe in your intuition, believe in your karma, and your beginning and balance is going to come. These two cards are very positive, so I feel your temporary setbacks will go, and you can get your your happiness. Okay, so thank you Virgo. Hope this is resonated with you. Do let me know, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet, and do let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Thank you so much. God bless you. Hello birthday guys, my Libra tribe, welcome to Destined Tarot. Let's see what your birthday month is looks like. Okay, okay, some of you already had your September birthday, some of you are getting your birthday in October. Let's see how October 2020 for you. Okay, okay, the Magician. Wow, the Death card. Great. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Five of Swords. And the Temperance card. Okay, you tell me guys, this should be your birthday month should look like for me. Okay, this is a beautiful cards, and I think this is the best pile till now I have read. Okay, happy birthday. A very beautiful month is coming, is waiting for you. Okay, let's start. So with the Death card and the Five of Swords card, I really feel something is going to end. Okay, but don't worry, something is going to end, and it may give you a little bit of pain. Okay, but this is also a transformation card. Okay, whatever is going to finish, a new beginning is there. Very beautiful new beginning is waiting for you. Okay, and the transformation should be of your thought. The moment you transform your thought, okay, the moment you accept your attitude, which needs to be revisited, and the moment you revisit your attitude and your thinking pattern. Okay, the most important thing is your thinking pattern. The moment you revisit it and change it, your transformation is coming. How the transformation for me, it is always starts from your mind. Okay, the moment you decide to do something uh, beautifully, or you decide to change something inside your mind, the first change always happens in your mind, then it reflects in your action. Okay, the transformation should be happen for in your thought. Okay, your talent should not be go in vain. If you do not change your pattern of thinking, if you do not change your conservative thinking, if you do not change what you have still continuing to do, so you may get your talent wasted. Okay, so due to get your achievement, see the magician card. Okay, if you want to be a magician, if you want to be, you get the new beginning and the great success waiting for you, you have to transform yourself. Okay, the transformation is also coming, it is inevitable. And you, I want to tell you, the god, the divine power has taken your back. Okay, they have taken everything for you, they have taken the responsibility, and they're guiding you, they're with you. Okay, it is sure that something is going to end, but definitely there is a beginning. With the transformation, a very new beginning is coming. Okay, there will be a new cycle, a sense of purpose, you will get it. Okay, your talent, which should not waste, with the three of pentacles in reverse. If the moment you do understand your gifts, the moment you understand what is their potential inside, you will be transformed, and you can go come out from this pain, and you will get the new beginning, your new cycle will come. And it can be happen with your willpower and new initiative. Okay, it is a very very powerful card. Okay, which shows the potential new beginning, and there will be a new beginning in your enterprises also. I see a work wise, there will be a very new beginning for you. Okay, or if you are already working, there will be very new some changes, there will be some new changes which will be very fulfilling. Okay, it will be very fulfilling, it will have give you a lot of joy. And your month will be ending in a very positive note. Okay, your month will wrap up in a very positive note. Okay, you will have a very harmonious partnership, harmonious relationship. Okay, peace will be restored in your life. If you have faced any difficulties in the past, this is going to be removed from your life. Okay, your happiness will be restored. Okay, you will take back your control on your in your life. Okay, you will have the control. See, the moment you take control of your thinking, you can take control of your life. Okay, the moment you take control of your life, their outcome will be according to you. Okay, and do have the self control and the adaptability. Okay, and your imagination, if your power of you understand the power of imagination, that is why you have got this card, guys. That is why you have got this card. The don't be a conservative thinker. Okay, the moment you understand your potential in your life, okay, you can get a very successful life. It is not only for October, guys. I really feel this is very important for your life, because it is your birthday month. Divine is, and divine has taken your bag. Divine message is for you, this is your angelic message, this is your higher universal message. Okay, I am feeling very happy to sharing with this information with you. The moment you change your thinking pattern, you will get the new beginning, and there will be a very successful closer to your life. Okay, your situation, everything, the control you have lost in your life, you will get it back. And if you have not yet started taking control of your life, you can get it. You can have that in your life. A very very beautiful cards, guys. See the transformation card, three major arcanas. Okay, okay, with the death card, magician, and temperance. Very beautiful card, very beautiful card, very beautiful life, I can say, because this is your birthday month. I think in the coming year, you will have a very successful change. You can see a visible change in your life. Okay, just just one thing you have to do: go with the flow, change with time, and adapt new things, adapt the yourself, and you can get it. Thank you so much. If you liked my reading, please subscribe to my channel, and do let me know what kind of reading you want to see in the future. Okay, thank you, and God bless you. Happy birthday, Scorpio. Welcome to Destined Tarot. Today we are going to see how will be your uh, October month, your birthday month will look like. Let's see. Okay, my birthday Scorpios, what are they are going to have in your life. The last reading for Libra was very very good, and I hope you also get a very good messages from this. Let's shuffle my Scorpio, October 2020, guys, what is there for them? My Scorpio people, for my Scorpio people, guidance for October 2020. Your birthday month should be very special. May God bless you with your imagination, with your work, with your love life. I wish you all the very best for your future and your present. Hope you get anything that you desire. Let's start your reading with this last shuffle. Okay, thank you, thank you. Let's start. Your first card is Three of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, cool, no worries. I got this with Libra too. The second of card is Six of Pentacles. Great. Okay, the next card for my Scorpio will be Knight of Wands. Great. Okay, the next card will be Ace of Cups in reverse. Okay, let's see the final card, Page of Cups. Great, let's start. So first thing I would like to say to you is, for both, for your talent and money, do not waste it on something irrelevant. Okay, do not waste it. You are going to get financial help from someone, you are going to get some financial upgradation in your life, or some partnership where you will be beneficial in financially. Okay, but do not waste on your talent. Do not waste your money on something that is not required. Okay, save for the future or put it in good use. Do some charity, do have some good use of your money that you get. Okay, because the way you spend your money or invest your money, the way it will give you return. Okay, if you unnecessarily spend it, it will be wasted. Okay, so value your money, value your talent, go with the flow, change your mind. Don't be, you know, conservational thought pattern, so that you can use the change your thought about your money. Okay, value your money, then you will have much more of that. Okay, with the Knight of Wands card, okay, and with the Page of Cups card, see, this is a very younger, youthful energy here. Okay, so you are going to be very enthusiastic this month. You are going to be very open to change this month. You may get very, you are ready to offer yourself to someone, I think. Okay, ready to offer to someone, or someone is coming towards you. See, okay, he's coming towards her, she's, huh, okay, so someone is coming towards you and you are also waiting for them. There is a very youthful energy to both of them. In your love life cases, I feel there is a lot of love in between you guys. Okay, so in October month, yes, that will be there. Okay, and let me take a clarifier for this Ace of Cups reverse. What I feel is, there may be a stress for in your love life because of your slow progression of your partner. Okay, maybe your partner is a little bit slow towards you, that's why you will have a little bit of stress and little bit of pain, not much, and definitely not an ending. Okay, definitely not an ending. Generally it means ending of a relationship, but I will not, because see the cards, there is a Page and the Knight of Wands, so I don't feel there will be a complete end, but there will be a temporary setback. But this is only due to the slowness, this is due to the slow activity of your partner. Okay, and there will be a, and I would suggest take care of your health, because I am seeing your health wise you have to be a little more cautious during this month, because this is your birthday month. Do not go and do partying, and do not eat unhealthy food that will cause you harm. Okay, take care, and just take me one clarifier for this. Okay, clarifier for Ace of Cup reverse. Sorry. Clarify for Ace of Cup reverse. Why this Ace of Cup reverse is there? I understood the thing, but anything more? 3 card I got. No, I want only 1 card. Let me see. Let me see what I get. Why this Ace of Cup reverse? Okay, got it. Whoo! See, Two of Cups. Yay, great. With the Ace of Cups, whatever setbacks you feel, or whatever you feel that nothing is going on, or something is lacking, okay, the moment you change your mentality about this, okay, you are going to get the Two of Cups. Okay, love and understanding between two people, you and your partner, is going to come. And if it is in your work situation also, this is going to come the moment you change your thought pattern. Okay, the moment you change the way you see the things, try to see their perspective also. Okay, see, both are coming to each other. Okay, the only requirement is to understand each other's perspective. The moment you understand that, you are going to get it. Your emotional fulfillment and contentment is going to come. Okay, it may so that this case, sometime you feel you are opposite to each other, but opposite attracts. Okay, that is why sometimes you feel like this, he is going this side, she is going that side, opposite to this, but you need to understand, you have to come like this. Okay, you have to come like this. In your card also this came like this, that is why you got two of cups. Okay, you may be opposite to each other, or your most of the things may not match with each other, but there is a lot of love I can see, lot of love I can see. So you are going to get it. You need to have some mutual respect for each other, and you are going to have in this in the coming month. Okay, and ending any problems you have faced, or see, with the Ace of Cups, any problems or misunderstanding you have faced, that is going to end here, that is going to end here, and you guys will come like this to like this. Definitely beautiful reading. This is a very happy reading for my Scorpios, a very birthday message. This is not only for your October month, I feel this is a information for your coming year, I say. Okay, because this is your the way you start your month, the way you continue your October month, it is going to reflect in your coming year. And this is a very powerful message, as I must say. And financial gain, Two of Cups, Knight of Wands, Page of Cups. Very beautiful reading. Thank you so much. Do let me know whether it has resonated with you or not, and what kind of videos in your future you want to see. Okay, God bless you, and many happy returns of your days of the month. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Welcome Sagittarius, welcome to Destined Tarot. If your sun sign is Sagittarius, this is your reading for your coming October 2020. Let's see what you guys have in coming 2020. Okay, I feel you guys have a beautiful relationship coming to you. Okay, if you have some problem in your past month, you are going to end that, and understanding is going in your way. Okay, that I getting from your general vibe. Let's see. Okay, oh my god. Okay, God, Two of Wands in reverse, Queen of Swords. Okay, the Tower card, Queen of Swords in reverse, the Lovers card, and some last. Okay, this one, Two of Pentacles. Okay, you might be juggling with things. Okay, you might be juggling with things, and the things you are getting in your outcome by your working, you will be dissatisfied with that, you will be not satisfied with that, and you keep on continuing with the juggling thing. Okay, you face some dilemma, and you want to choose something what is meant for you. Okay, let's see. Possibly you are juggling with your partnership. Okay, in your, maybe it in your work life also, in your love life also, in your personal life also, maybe you are juggling with your partnership, and a lot of money or a lot of emotions are on toss right now. Okay, so you are a little worried about that, and your suggestion would be, mm, your suggestion would be ruthless attitude you need to give up. Okay, if you have any attitude, it's okay, whatever happens, what will come I will see. Let the time come and you will think that time. Or if you have that type of thinking pattern, it's time to lose. It's time to lose them, okay? And you have to get clarity. You have to get clarity on that, okay? With the Tower card and the Two of Pentacles card, I think something is going to break and something is going to start, okay? Something is going to end and something is going to start. With the Juggling card, finally you will choose one and leave one, and there will be starting of something else. Give me one moment, huh? So what I feel with the Tower card and this one, okay, as I said, with the Juggling, something will you will leave behind, something will be destroyed, okay? And it will be a sudden thing, but it will be a blessing in disguise, okay? It will be a blessing in disguise. Maybe for a time being you will feel that it is a it is something of a pain, but soon you will realize it is a blessing for you, okay? Transformation is going to happen, okay? And you will come out stronger. You will come out stronger with the Tower card, okay? And I really feel there will be a dramatic change. Tower and the Lovers card, definitely a dramatic change is going to come, definitely, okay? Something new beginning will be there. And if you are facing any problems here, any type of reconciliation is assured here, okay? Any type of reconciliation will happen, new beginning will come. Physical pleasure is also there in your cards, okay? And a happy relationship in your personal life, as well as in business life, okay? Because I get the Pentacle energy and the Two of Wands. I think both in your love life and your work, or for some of you it is your love life, for some of you it is your work life. But there will be definitely a change coming, okay? Change coming. And with that, the Lovers card, you will have a new beginning and dramatic change, okay? Very satisfactory result you are going to go with the Queen of Swords reverse here. And health wise also will be very very good, okay? Very good. Let me see this one, okay? So let me see this one. In generally this is a very good card, but with the reverse card I don't know, with all these good cards, why this is coming. Let me take as a clarifier, okay? Why this has come. Only one clarifier. Why the Queen of Swords is in reverse condition? Maybe, no, I'm not getting anything. I need a clarifier for that, okay? All are very good. All are very good except I got Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Okay. Queen of Swords in reverse, but Knight of Pentacles. Wow. I really got my answer, okay? See the transformation I was talking about. See the dramatic change I was talking about. From this, you are going to become this, okay? This is a transformation that is coming in your way. You have to change to this, okay? The moment you change, you can get this card, okay? The moment you change your jealousness, your if any exist, okay? If you change that, and any type of negativity you leave, and you become a Queen of okay, Knight of Pentacles, okay? What is that means? A very magnetic person, okay? A very practical person. You become this jealous person or negative thinker when you become a practical thinker, okay? You accept your responsibility. Do not give up your responsibility. The moment you accept your responsibility and this transformation happen inside you, you can achieve the dramatic change in your life. See, okay? There is a tree of love, there is a tree of success, okay? You are going to get it. That is why the Tower card is there, and that is why the Lovers card is there. Very beautiful starting is going to happen, very beautiful transformation. Something will end, and not end actually, something you willingly you will leave it behind. And the decision you have to take by being responsible. The keyword is for you is responsible. Be responsible and be trustworthy, okay? And accept what is happening, and then you choose whatever you need to choose, okay. Then you can leave the past behind or leave the second option behind and go forward, and you will get it, okay. This very nice reading. So your October is full of possibilities, full of excitement, full of drama, I must say. Beautiful drama, not drama. So thank you, Sagittarius. If you have um, liked my reading, please do subscribe to my channel, and what kind of videos you want to see in the further, please do let me know, okay. Thank you so much. Hello Capricorn guys, welcome to Destined Tarot. If your sun sign is Capricorn, then this reading is for you. Let's see what is there for you in October 2020. Okay, let's see what is there for you in October 2020 for my Capricorn guys. Okay, the first card is Two of Wands reverse. Very similar energy I'm getting, okay. Next card is your Fool. The Nine of Wands in reverse, okay. The Temperance card, wow. And one more card I want. The Hanged Man. Okay. The Two of Wands, I really feel you are juggling with someone, something, okay. You are in a dilemma, what to do or what not to do, something kind, okay. uh, you are not satisfied with your situation, okay. Any type of outcome that you have got in your work life or any type of situation, you are not satisfied with that, okay. And but with the don't be disheartened, because with the Fool card there is a new beginning coming, okay. There is a new beginning coming. Be Accept the situation and move on, okay. Enjoy your journey, so that you can be happy, okay. The new beginning is coming towards you, and no harm, there is no harm, no one can harm you, okay. Whatever you do, take a risk, okay. There is nothing, you have nothing to lose, okay. And definitely there is a new chapter is going to in your life, and very there will be chances the unexpected things will happen, but in a very good way, not in a bad way, okay. So accept the unexpected, okay. And and unconventional people may enter in your life, the people who have not seen you since years, and the people you think you may not get, okay. You will get those persons will come into your life, okay. Maybe your crush will turn out to you and say, hey, I love you, let's go for a coffee or something, or let's see where can we take this relationship, or like that, okay. With the 9 of Wands reverse, I feel maybe you will show some resilience towards the new journey, okay. Maybe you will see face some difficulties, or you may be a little bit restrain yourself from the new beginning, or to take that first step towards your journey. So your advice will be, don't be hesitant, okay. Don't be hesitant and be self confident. Don't think the outcomes, what will be the outcomes and how I am going to overcome, or don't overthink your situations, okay. So just be self confident, blessed, just be assured that you are blessed, and take your journey, take the first step towards your journey, and you will keep on continuing to do so, okay. There is Temperance card and there is Hanged Man card. For this I really want to say, don't feel the pause in your life, okay. So see, from because you are hesitant to take that first step, hesitant to take the initiative, and you feel stuck in your life. Okay, you have this dilemma, you have this dissatisfiedness in your life, and you are stuck in a situation, and you are hesitant to take the first step. But your angel is saying, take control of yourself, stand for what you believe in, and take the first step towards your journey. Okay, this card and this card summarizes your reading. You have to accept whatever the situation has happened, and don't feel stuck in your situation. Okay, and you need to give up the resilience that is in between, in inside you. Okay, the why you are thinking that I cannot do, or the dissatisfaction, don't hold on to the dissatisfaction that caused by something. Okay, don't hold on to the dissatisfaction, just keep on moving. Don't be in this state, don't be in hang state, just keep on moving, keep on moving. Take control of what you are thinking, take control of what you believe in. If you have some new ideas, bring it into actions. Okay, take control of your life, be in charge, be in charge, and take that first step towards it, and you are good to go. And you are good to go. The moment you take charge of your life, you are good to go. See the blessed symbol. Okay, you're good to go. This is a very positive card, this is a very positive card, and I really wish you good luck for your coming month. And thank you so much. Do let me know whether it has resonated with you or not, and what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Okay, thank you so much, god bless you. Hello Aquarius team, if your sun sign is Aquarius, welcome to the reading. This is your October 2020 reading. Let's see what is there in your life. Okay, for October 2020. For October 2020, what is there for my Aquarius guys? Okay, first card is your Devil, Two of Cups, okay, the Queen of Swords, okay, the Magician, the Tower. Okay, great, great, great. Love these cards. With the Two of Cups card and the Devil card, I really feel, and the Queen of Sword card. Okay, your relationship with your partner is going to be very very strong. Okay, your relationship with your lover, your relationship in your whatever partnership you have, it is going to be unbreakable, and your life is going to be in a next step. Like if you are in a relationship, maybe you are going to have a marriage. If you have waiting for a crush, you will have a very good relationship with her or him. Okay, a very very beautiful bond you are going to have. Okay, in generally this is a negative card, but this is a very strong bond, and with this card I think this came only for this. Okay, with this, and uh, your partner is will be very supportive with you. She or he will be your strength. Okay, so you are going to have a very new beginning in your life, and a very balanced mutual respect for each other. And any problems you had with the Devil card, any past problems will be disappear with the Two of Cups card. Okay, and you are going to have a blissful life, very very beautiful life. Some of you may be very fond of music, and any type of yeah, what is that, any type of creative thinking. Okay, creative arts. Okay, performance arts. So I think in that area also you will be able to find your true passion. Okay, this Queen of Swords signifies she's a very graceful lady. Okay, she's a very graceful lady, independent lady. So whatever, if you had any problem with the power in the past, you are going to be independent right now. Okay, in the coming month you get your independence back. Okay, and if there were any power issues, you will be in your self control. Okay, you will be your own boss. And it you can do with grace, you can do it with grace. Okay, and with this card I really feel, no one can underestimate you, no one can underestimate you. There will be very mutual relationship, okay, in your life. There will be very balanced relationship in your life, okay. The magician indicates there are a lot of new beginning, potential new beginning cards, guys, okay. There are a lot of, and with this tower card, it really suggests that there will be some transformation is going to happen. I will not say any ending, but transformation is definitely going to come. Or if you have any problem with your relationship, reconciliation is going to happen, because this is also a card of reconciliation, this is also a card of reconciliation, okay. So you are going to have it. If your present situation is good, it is going to be better and best in future, okay. With the magician card, a great beginning is coming, great beginning is coming, okay. This lady is so powerful, so elegant, so independent. Your partner will also be like that, and you will also be like this. So a lot of major arcanas, I think three major arcanas, okay. Divine has taken charge of your life, divine is guiding you. Look, very good energy, guys. There is nothing to say much more. See the cards, what can I say more? You say, what can I say? All positive cards, all positive cards. Even the birthday guys did not get these cards. So beautiful, so beautiful, yeah. I'm so happy for you guys. Let me know in the comment section what do you feel about the reading, okay. Thank you so much. Please hit a like button if you liked it, if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, god bless you. Welcome, my Pisces tribe. You are the last in my pile, and I really wish you get good things in your October. All my piles, except 2 or 3, all have had very good readings, and I hope I can conclude the reading for you, Pisces, with a good note. Okay, let's shuffle and let's see what is coming for you in October 2020. Okay. Your first card is Three of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. Next card would be okay, what is coming for my Pisces 2020 October? Okay, Nine of Cups, very nice. Okay, I got 2 more cards. Six of Wands in reverse and Two of Pentacles. Okay. Two of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, 9, 10 of Cups. Okay. If you do not take care of about your money, if you do not take care of about your attitude towards money and towards life, then you might get a condition of this pain, okay, heartbreak, hurt, somehow hurting, hurtful situation. But if you can take care of your attitude and money and your life, then you can get this one, okay. If you do not care about your money and life, you will result in this one. Six of Wands reverse says anxiety, okay. Your success will be delayed, okay. Fear of future, because if you don't take care of your money and you will lose it, then definitely your future will be in danger, right? And you will lose your perspectives, okay. And and you will arrive in a situation of this heartbreak, bankruptcy, and problematic situation in life, hurtful situation, painful situation, okay. But if you take care of this, okay, if you take care of this, then see the cards. Cups, Nine of Cups, towards completion of a fulfillment, towards completion, towards fulfillment, okay. And the Queen of Pentacles, who is responsible for your money, who is responsible, a very responsible woman, okay. And she is very kind hearted, charitable. She has also has a taste for luxury, okay. So very nice card. And see this Nine of Cups. Okay, this is for your relationship, partnership, for a completion, towards completion. 10 of Cups is the completion card, before that 9. Okay, so and see this one, very good cards, very very good cards. Okay, the moment you take care of these things, the moment you take care of all this, your attitude, see, with this pile I feel your life is in your hand. Okay, your life is in your hand. So the moment you take care of these things, the moment you take care of your energy, take care of your attitude, take care of your finances, definitely you're going to get here. Okay, very good things are coming, waiting for you. Okay, you can, from the bankruptcy situation, you have the potential to go to a luxurious situation. You have to go to a you have the potential to go for a business, new business. Okay, you have the ability to be successful. Okay, and you are very caring. You in general, this Queen of Pentacles is very caring in nature. And if it is in relationship, if your attitude was not good, then be a caring personality and you can get this fulfillment. Okay, give me one moment. With the Nine of Cups card, I really feel the moment you take care of your attitude and finances, you are going to get a very good social life. Okay, and your good health and happiness and popularity. And these two cards summarizes everything. Your life is it in your hand. The moment you take care of your thinking and your attitude, everything good is going to come to you. Okay, everything is going to come to you. Your life is in your hand. Just make it, just make it in the month, guys. You are very very very, you have potential for everything, you have potential for everything. Okay, so do not lose hopes with these cards. Okay, just in generally this is a very good card, right? Generally this is a very good card, and this is in the middle, and this is the first cards. So if you overcome this situation, definitely you are going to get this one. Okay, very good reading, very practical reading. And thank you for joining me. And please do let me know whether it has resonated with you or not. And subscribe to my channel if you have liked it. And do let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a wonderful October 2020 and the rest of the life. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.